What is Aceogenics? Aceogenics is the world's #1 pain management system. Used in conjunction with the right food choices, the proper amount of mental and physical exercise, Aceogenics will provide you with powerful mind interruption techniques that will enable you to reprogram the subconscious mind, reduce inflammation, alleviate pain, and unblock those limiting beliefs that have stopped you from achieving success in all areas of your life. Aceogenics enables faster results from chronic pain. That includes migraine, sciatica, backache, knee pain, foot pain, as well as repressed mental issues that may be causing disease, stress, and body disorders. With Aceogenics, there's no need for endless surgeries or medication, or see multiple specialists to heal your aches and pains. We will help you get to the root of the problem, even if you don't know what that is. The link between the cause and the symptom is removed, and you'll become pain-free, or you'll get your life back.